everyone. I want to take a minute and show you how you can access the game that you are going to play for the Ancient China review. So, if you have this screen open, you can see there is a link here that you can access the game, and the game is called Whodunnit, because that's really good English. I'm sure Mrs. Eichmann would love that. But you're going to right-click on it and select Open Link in New Tab, and it will bring you to your Google Drive. You will have to make a copy of it, and when you select Make a Copy, it should just pull the game up right here. And so this will save in your Google Drive, so make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you have that pulled up, this is your own version of the document, so feel free to manipulate it however you would like. But sorry, let's wait for it to get pulled up here real quick. Holy moly. All right, as it's downloading, you'll see that there's multiple pages, and you are going to end up having a total of 10 clues to help you determine who completed the crime. So if you've ever played the game Clue, you will see that there are 3 different sections, or who possibly could have done it, where it happened, and then the method that they used. So this game is a lot like Clue. You're going to be given 10 different clues to try to figure out the answers to these questions. Let me get my face out of there. So make sure you read through the instructions. It'll kind of give you an idea of how this game is set up, but your clues are all going to be based on what you learned about with Ancient China. So if you have clue number 1, we're just going to practice this right now. It says, what was the Silk Road? And then you can see here it says, stretch the yellow highlight box over the answer. So we know that the answer was that the Silk Road was a set of trade routes between China and Europe. So I'm giving you the answer to this question. But you're going to select it and cover the answer like this. So now that we've done that, we can see that the clue is that the injury was not because of a fallen object. So now we can go back to our check page and we can look and see, okay, it didn't tell us, the clue didn't tell us anything about the players or where it took place, but we do know it wasn't a fallen object. So I'm going to go ahead and put an X in the fallen objects section. And then you are going to go through each of the different clues and do that exact same thing. There's a highlighter box in each corner over here that you can pull and see what the clue is for that. So at the end of the game, you should only have one unchecked box in the players section, the last known whereabouts section, and the methods section. And then the very last thing that you will do, if it'll let me go there, there we go, slowly but surely, come on, there we go. It says write a sentence that includes the criminal, the location of the crime, and the type of injury. So you will list those 3 things here. And then this is actually what you're going to go back and submit into Buzz at the end of this game. So there's not a lot that you have to type out or submit, but there are multiple steps in order for you to get to the answer of who committed the crime. So if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know, but otherwise, have fun and good luck.